So McAlpine started in 1907. It's a family company. It remains a family company to this day. We really pride ourselves on the quality of the products that we produce and the way that we produce them. The grades of materials that we use, and in terms of the people that we have within our workforce, we're also incredibly proud of what they deliver to us on a routine basis and what they in turn deliver to our customers.
McAlpine produce over 5,000 different plumbing products, supplying mainly the trade but also the public. They're the market leader here in the UK, and they also export to over 90 countries worldwide. We previously already have an almost fully automated cell from raw material to final packaged product. The only remaining part to be automated was to put the product into a box, which had been done manually by hand all day, all night.
There are lots of human interactions here which are low value and low value add. The employees don't particularly enjoy doing those tasks, and we recognise that this is a 24-hour, 5-day operation. This is the first cell that we've had that can produce product from plastic pellets all the way through to being packed in a case without any human interaction. So our experience with Vention has been very positive. The process was initially developed via our CI team. We set them the challenge to find alternative automation providers. That for us has been challenging historically. We have a few UK suppliers that we have used. We also recognise that they're not providing the types of solutions that we wanted.
We have raw material vacuum fed in to a flexible pipe extruder, extrudes the pipe and then scrunches the pipe, collates it all into one part. It then adds 2 ends to it automatically, and then it tests it automatically, and then it feeds it down through a packaging machine, which then packages it, and then when it came out of the packaging machine, it was manually placed in a box. The Vention cell will now automatically pick the flex, place it into the carton in rows of 13, depending on the SKU. It can package 6 different products in 4 different boxes. It's utilising a UR10E cobot to pick and place the product and stack it into the carton. It then is transferred over to an outfeed conveyor, where it feeds through a case sealer, which folds the flaps, tapes the box, and then a label is applied as well. I found Vention to be very, very proactive and almost became part of the continuous improvement team here at McAlpine. We had constant contact with weekly or bi-weekly meetings. The design process using the Vention platform was like nothing we've used before. Majority of the time, automation suppliers will give you a 2D drawing. With Vention, it's all in 3D. The ability to collaborate within the team and with Vention in real time was a game changer. The support we've received from Vention post factory acceptance tests has been exceptional also. The remote support is just a click away. You can contact Vention immediately within 10 minutes of any issues.
So the impact that automation has on the business is where we can see a clear value proposition. When you remove difficult or unwanted tasks from the operation, employees are generally happy from that.
So the next step for McAlpine in their automation journey will be more automated packaging cells, more automated assembly cells. McAlpine are determined to solve the issue of bin picking.
We have had various components of automation in this site for about 40 years. So from very simple pick and place robots up to much more complex ones like the ones we use with Vention at the moment. We can see that that's a direction of travel that we want to be going in.
McAlpine will not compromise on quality. So with the cost of everything rising, the only way for us to keep the quality and improve the quality is to find efficiencies through automation.